Want to keep watching YouTube while using other apps on your phone? Then you need to turn on picture-in-picture mode. It's one of the most useful YouTube features for multitasking, and here's how to use it. Picture-in-picture, also known as PIP, lets your YouTube video continue playing in a small floating window while you use other supported apps on your phone. It's perfect for watching tutorials, podcasts, interviews, or educational videos without staying inside the YouTube app. Let me show you how to enable and use it. So first, open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture. Now go to settings, then tap playback speed. Make sure picture-in-picture is turned on if this option is available on your device. Next, open any video and start playing it. Now simply press the home button or swipe up to leave the YouTube app. In picture-in-picture is supported on your device and account. The video will continue playing in a small floating window. You can move the floating player anywhere on your screen, resize it on supported device, or closer it whenever you want. If picture-in-picture does not work, also check your phone settings, then app, select YouTube and make sure picture-in-picture permission is enabled there. Picture-in-picture makes multitasking much easier because you can continue watching a video while replying to messages, browsing the web, taking notes, or using other apps. It saves time by letting you do two things at once and is especially useful for tutorials, online classes, and educational content. Keep in mind that availability may vary depending on your device, region, and the type of YouTube content you are watching. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.